Polaroid announced a new collection of cameras, instant film, and accessories, all featuring limited edition Pokemon designs to celebrate its 30th anniversary. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The new collection goes a little harder than Fujifilm's Pokemon collaboration from 5 years ago, with the introduction of Polaroid film printed with various characters around the frames, including Pikachu and Snorlax. The entire collection will be available for pre-order starting on August 25th in the US, Canada, and the UK through the Polaroid and Pokemon Center websites, with a global release on October 5th. They include the compact $99.99 Polaroid Go Gen 3 with a bright yellow Pikachu-themed finish and a pink and blue version based on Sylveon. The most expensive $139.99 Polaroid Now Gen 3 instead features a red and white design based on a standard Pokeball. All three cameras come with matching straps, but the lightning bolt-shaped Pikachu one is clearly the standout. Double packs of Polaroid's Go Color Instant Film with either Pikachu or Sylveon adorning the frames will be $24.99 each, while the larger Polaroid Color I-Type Instant Film featuring silhouettes of various Pokemon will be slightly cheaper at $22.99, but come with fewer exposures. The protective plastic cards that are ejected when a new pack of films loaded into a Polaroid camera will also feature different Pokemon silhouettes in an attempt to make them collectible instead of instant trash. Rounding out the collection are accessories for the smaller Go Gen 3 cameras, including a $24.99 case, a $14.99 shoulder strap, and a $24.99 photo album that are all Pokeball themed with red and white designs. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.